Given that x satisfies x to the power of 2020 plus x to the power of 2021 plus x to the power of 2022 equals 0. X doesn't equal 0. Find x to the power of 2022 plus 1 over x to the power of 2022. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. X doesn't equal 0 and satisfies a polynomial equation of a higher degree, which has a common factor x to the power of 2020. Find the algebraic expression in x. There's a factor x to the power of 2020. So by factorising the equation, we have 1 plus x squared equals 0. Then work out x cubed equals 1. Use the power of a power rule to work out x to the power of 2022. Substitute x to the power of 2022 in the algebraic expression, because x to the power of 2020 plus x to the power of 2021 plus x to the power of 2022 equals 0. So by factorising, we can write x to the power of 2020 times 1 plus x squared equals 0, because x doesn't equal 0. So 1 plus x squared equals 0. As this quadratic equation has no real solutions. By examining the discriminants, we now multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 1. We then have x minus 1 times 1 plus x squared equals 0. By simplifying this equation, we can write x cubed minus 1 equals 0. By rearranging this equation, we have x cubed equals 1. X to the power of 2022 can be written as x to the power of 3 times 674. By applying the power of a power rule, we can now write x to the power of 3 all to the power of 674, which is equal to 1. So x to the power of 2022 plus its inverse is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1. Simplifying this, we can now write 2. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Given that y to the power of 5 plus 2y to the power of 4 plus 2y cubed plus 2y squared plus 2y plus 2 equals 0. Find y to the power of 2022 plus its inverse. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.